frogs. Hey, little frogs. Here's my little froggies. Hey, little froggies. I'm filming it.
I put the carrots away too, damn it.
Once Tinky sees the avocado, she's going to freak out. Give her a piece of avocado over there. Tyler. That's Tinky's favorite food. Oh, God. She's on my head. She's on my head.
I just got bitten in the thumb.
She's on my head. She's on my butt. Ah!
Yeah, I just got bit in the
I'm
thumb.
sorry. She's on my butt. Tinky's not happy. I told you she was going to be mad. We love avocado. Yum, this is our favorite. Why'd you bite Daddy, huh? She thought you were avocado. That's our favorite, huh? Yeah, that's your favorite? Tinky's finger looking good. Is that finger looking good? Yes, I yummy, Tinky. Get it all over your faces. That's right, get it all over your faces. Look at that little green face. Oh, look at those little green faces. I'm gonna wash that down with some milk, Tinky. It's all gone. It's all gone, girls. Good night.